Are you cleaning your floors with this thing? Bristles flaring out, dirt everywhere? I wouldn't either. Come by and see us at the Gem Supply Cleaning Festival, information listed below, where at Better Brush Products, we're going to show you a better way to clean. We have angle brooms that are not going to flare out, that are going to do the job, that have 2 angle holes in them so you can get all those nooks and crannies and corners. We have all different styles available as well, different colors too. But we don't just do brushes. We have all the cleaning tools you need to get the job done quickly, efficiently, and effectively. We have janitor carts, mop buckets, wet floor signs and cones, and so much more. But stop by and see me at the Cleaning Festival, information below, where we're going to have show-only specials. One of the things that we're doing is we're giving away a 19-inch pad driver. That's right, I said a 19-inch pad driver can be yours, but you've got to come to the festival, sign up below, and see what you get. We'll see you there. Have a great day.